These are the best locksmith tweezers I've ever had. I like these tweezers so much, I had them make me a ton of them, and we're selling them online. But this is one reason why I really like it. I've had other tweezers, they're off, the filing's off center, it doesn't fit right, or they're really fat. The biggest mistake locksmiths as well as apprentices make, they don't check their top pins, and that's usually because they got rotten tweezers, so they can't check the top pins, one, to make sure they're all there, and also to make sure there's no master pins in there, so you don't get the ghost keys. So follow my other videos, you'll understand what ghost keys are and master pins, but the bottom line is, these are the best tweezers I've ever used. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.